you struggling to get your marketing efforts to hit the right audience? Let's talk about account-based marketing and how HubSpot CRM can help you focus on what actually works. Because let's be honest, throwing random campaigns into the void and hoping for the best isn't exactly a strategy. It's just chaos with a budget. Trying to implement account-based marketing or ABM without the right abilities is technically possible, but unnecessarily painful and frustrating. Sure, you could cobble together a system with spreadsheets, manual processes, and a lot of caffeine, but why would you? This is where HubSpot steps in, making account-based marketing not only manageable, but effective without requiring a degree in technical integration or a tolerance for endless trial and error. HubSpot makes identifying and segmenting your target accounts straightforward and intuitive. You can create company lists based on meaningful criteria, like industry, revenue, tech stack, or whatever aligns with your strategy. No more wasting time on accounts that don't fit your ideal customer profile. And the best part, it's simple to use with no need for SQL queries or advanced coding. You can focus on strategy, not on figuring out how to make the system work. Gone are the days when personalization meant adding someone's first name to an email and calling it a day. Today, personalization is about understanding your audience and tailoring your approach to their specific needs and behaviors. HubSpot's CRM allows you to personalize content and outreach based on account-specific data. You can also do it on engagement history and buying signals. It's like having a detailed memory of every interaction with your target accounts, but without crossing into creepy territory. You can deliver the right message to the right person at the right time. And isn't that the whole point? Here's where things get practical. HubSpot's CRM gives you the visibility into account management that actually matters. You can see which decision makers are interacting with your content, what they're interested in, and when they're most active. This isn't just data for the sake of data. It's actionable insights that help you make smarter decisions. Instead of guessing what your target accounts care about, you'll know exactly where to focus your efforts. Sales and marketing alignment is one of those things everyone talks about, but few actually achieve. It's often more of a buzzword than a reality. HubSpot's CRM bridges the gap by giving both teams access to the same real-time information. No more "marketing didn't tell us" or "sales didn't follow up" excuses. Just clear, shared accountability. When both teams are working from the same playbook, the results speak for themselves. Automation should make your life easier, not make your outreach sound robotic or impersonal. HubSpot lets you automate repetitive tasks like follow-ups, lead scoring, and reporting, while keeping the human touch where it matters. It's about efficiency, not replacing thoughtfulness with templates. Think of it as having an extra set of hands to handle the busy work, so you can focus on building real connections with your target accounts. ROI isn't just a buzzword, it's the point of all of this effort. HubSpot CRM provides clear insights into your account-based marketing efforts, from engagement metrics to pipeline impact. You'll know what's working, what's not, and where to adjust your strategy. So no more guessing or relying on gut feelings. You'll have the data to back up your decisions. And the best part? You won't need to spend hours deciphering complex reports or sacrificing a spreadsheet to the data gods. Let's not sugarcoat it. Implementing account-based marketing with HubSpot CRM isn't going to be as easy as ordering takeout. But it's also not as soul-crushing as assembling IKEA furniture without instructions. It's about starting with the basics, being strategic, and building from there. The key is to focus on what matters most: your ideal customer profile, your target accounts, and your personalization strategy. And let the abilities do the heavy lifting. Start with your ideal customer profile. And no, anyone with money doesn't count. Use HubSpot to identify and prioritize your target accounts based on meaningful criteria. Build a personalization strategy that's authentic and relevant. And most importantly, keep it real. People can spot insincerity a mile away, and no amount of automation can fix a bad strategy. Account-based marketing doesn't have to be overwhelming, and HubSpot makes it manageable. It's about focusing your efforts, being more strategic, and creating meaningful connections with the accounts that matter most. Think of it as fishing with a spear instead of a net. It takes more precision, but the results are worth it. Remember, the goal isn't to boil the ocean or target every account under the sun. It's about being intentional, strategic, and focused. And with HubSpot, you've got a platform that makes it possible without losing your sanity in the process. Now, go target those accounts. Just maybe rethink that overly ambitious campaign idea. Not every brainstorm needs to see the light of day, and sometimes simplicity really is the best strategy. P.S. If anyone tells you they achieved perfect account-based marketing implementation overnight, they're either lying or trying to sell you something. Probably both. Happy HubSpotting.